Alright, next up we got this. Beyblade vs. QuadStrike, Hydra Poseidon. Let's call it Hydro Neptune instead of this one. The name is just ridiculous. Why Hydra again? Hydro is the appropriate name, I would put it. Let's call it Neptune throughout this thing, not Poseidon, because Neptune and Poseidon are the same thing. Looking at the back, we got high mode and low mode. Finally get our first Hasbro bite, finally. So let's get into the box. All we know, this is our balance type. Let's get into the packaging it up. Let's open it up. Put the side. You don't need to explain the launcher. It's just your typical green one. All right, let's go with this one, since this is a completely new one. This one right here reminds me of something. The shape of this. This thing, the fusion of King and Super King. Yeah, this is appropriate. If you wanted to fuse it up, you might as well have the Hydra wheel with this. Yeah, with your Hyperion and Helios upcoming ones, although Zanky already reviewed Comet Helios. Be looking forward to getting it myself. So, this is not bad of a print, not gonna lie to you. I love this thing. Although this point may be the only thing that's going to have contact point. Back here is an unknown armor, but we don't talk about it. Alright, let's see. Here's the QR code. Here we go. Now, next, it has Nexus. I'm not going to talk about that because I already talked about it in Destruction Balefire. And let's look at this weird contraption. What is this? This does not look like a balance type to me. It looks like nothing and another attack tip. How lazy Hasbro can be. That's my question of the day. It's not an appealing one. You call this balance? I call it an attack type. Let's remove the armor tip because we don't know what the name of it is. All I know with this, everyone else knows, this is bite. And the people who are watching this, who don't know about bite, I don't have the Takotomi version to look at it. That's one of my bucket list of bays to buy. So, in the original one, it has a rubber ball in it. I'm not sure it was a good driver or not. It could differ. So, with this, it's bite. We close it up. We're going to be playing with this. This is not bad of a slope, so not that bad. I love this. This is a great sloping one, so not going to do high mode because there's no point to it. Let's test this thing now. It's an attack type. Do you know what else a balance type that is an attack type that is from the same line? Zeal Achilles, with Quattro 2 being flat. Doesn't work. This is not a balance type, it's an attack type. Alright, first off, to be different from my other ones, I will include the original ones that were shown in the show, and also from the main line. I'm gonna battle with the ones that are Hasbro exclusive. Alright, first up we got the weakest one is Wrath Cobra or Wrath Hydra. I'm gonna call it by that. I don't care what Hasbro calls it. Because there are too many things about Hydra that grinds my gears. So 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, defeated Wrath Cobra or Wrath Hydra. Alright, weakest one, Nemesis. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, KO. Alright, stop moving around. Gilded Balderov. Alright, knockout. Alright, next up is Katana Muramasa. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Do you see why attack types don't work in these type of situations? Yeah. Alright, that's Katana Muramasa. Now we have Perseus. One of my favorite ones, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Wow. Alright. Next up, we got Ragnar. Ragnar's gonna win. Yep, Ragnar's won. Next up, we got Ultimate Valkyrie. Yay, it's a first. Alright, next up we got, we'll go to fight with Prominent Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Hydra lost. Alright, next up we got Magma Ifrit. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Comet 1. Alright, what the next? Well, about cash. Time for a left spinning opponent. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Comet 1. Alright, we'll go this up with the new releases. Starting with Cabeus. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So disappointing. Let's do that again. This is why attack types shouldn't be a thing for these, because all of them are attack types. Oh, here we go. For a minute there, I was going out of course. Look at what attack types can do. That's a tie. That's a tie that I could see. Alright, next up is Excalius. Is that for Excalius? Hydra 1. Alright. Next up is Zeal Achilles. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. There you go. Alright, Hydra 1. Next up, we got Devastate Bellfire. Alright, defeated Bellfire. Octavore. Alright, spinning around. Spinning around. Spinning around. Hydra lost. One more fight and that should be done. So let's go with Bellfire. Alright, end of video. So, should you get this for the collection? Possibly if you want to collect them all like Pokemon. So yeah, next up would be something good. See you next time.